Hi, this is iPhone Punker, and I'm just righting the wrong that happened to my YouTube videos. I was recording off the YouTube client, and I didn't know, but it only gave me a minute and 33 seconds to record, and all my videos were cut short. But righting the wrong now, and I'm going to show you the mini vmac, how to do mini vmac and all that. So the two links on the side will be the ROM and the disk, working mad ROM and disk. And if you have any problems with it, I will find out what the problems are, and I'll do all the whatever. And basically, I'm going to show you as detailed as I can how to do this. It's not rocket science. It's actually extremely easy. First thing you're going to need is SSH, open SSH. Second thing is you need on your computer is WinFTP or WinSCP, or FTP or whatever it is. I can't remember, but you need those two. So you do to use SSH. You have to have SSH working, and that's really all you need right now. And you need to download those two things from the links on from the descriptions. Right. Next, what we're going to do is open WinFTP or WinSCP. I'm totally confused here, so I am. Right. Just going to put you facing my computer, or not my computer. There. There you go. Okay. You just click on this, log in. Alpine, enter. Right, navigate to applications. There's applications right there. Go to mini vmac, which is this application right here. Get the two ROMs, or get the ROM and the disk that I told you to download. Just drag and paste, and they'll ask you to copy. Press OK. I've already got it on my computer, so on my iPhone, so I don't need to do that. There's the ROM and there's the disk. And I already have it working. As soon as you do this, I suggest that you respring the iPhone or iTouch. It works for either, so it does. Just show you back to my iPhone. So it's a very easy thing to do. Right. There you go. And just close that and that. Now, I'm just going to go over to mini vmac, which is up here.